This conference will now be recorded.
So this is my screen. Okay. So next there are few basic topic in accounts like why, what are your assumptions? Like what do you think before you start a firm, before you start your account, what is that you assume? Then you have concept, what is that you will follow? And then you have principle, what is that you must follow? You see, I don't want you to take down the whole thing, you can just take down the assumption. The first assumption is account entity assumption. So this means the business and the proprietor are to be treated as two separate entities. Means, as I told you, you just imagine that you are a business. So we here, when we are in the class, we always imagine um, us as a business, and then that's how we will be doing our accounting. But in this part, what is this assumption says? See, for example, you are purchasing something of 10,000 for yourself, so that you are not putting it in business account. Only what you are purchasing 10,000 books, out of which 100 you have purchased 200 books, out of which 5 books are for yourself. So you are supposed to give only 95 books. You are not giving total 100 books in the accounts. So that means whatever your personal accounting part will be or whatever, it will not be included in this business. You have to take that as two different things. Okay, business, only business will be recorded. Anything related to but business. Then let's say it's accounting period assumption. So this is the same as I told you, will be financial year. This is nothing but, so you will choose one financial year, so that only you will be working on. So when you will start your business and when you will end your business. Even though you have started your business in month of June, you will be doing that from June to March 31st. And then next year onwards, it will be April to March. So that's how your period will go regular. Just read one's class and write down only the heading. And plus, please don't leave, join. I've seen, I don't want to mention any names, but I see so many just leaving, joining, like 15 times in 1.5 hours. Please don't do that. I will see the same continue with the same person, then I will take your names in the class. You, whatever type you leave, you join, I will get to know. Last 5 minutes you're in the class, that doesn't mean you get attendance. Really you have problem with your internet, please put a message. This is what is there. Please communicate. Please, Gayatri.
Uh, Ma'am, can you please explain about accounting entity assumption? Can you give us an example?
See, so it is basically when you say a business and the business member, that is the proprietor. So if you are purchasing a car, if it is for a company use, then it will be in the company's account. If that car is for your own personal use, then that will be in your account. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's basically like you will separate your accounts. You will not do your bank things. And see, when you are creating a company, you create a company's bank account also. So in that bank account, you will not be doing your transactions through that. So that is what is expected. Like you take 2000 rupees and you put 2000 rupees tomorrow. That's up to you. But that is what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to do any transaction, your personal transaction through that. That is what you assume. So these are all assumptions. It is not that you will
Yes, ma'am.
cross these ways. Yeah. So next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next one says going concern assumption. It is assumed that an entity will exist for a longer period of time. So this longer period of time, so going concern means our business will always, what we are going to do for the future is only assumed. So you're not maybe in next 2 years I'm going to have 2 crores turnover, I'm going to have 3 crores, I'm going to have 30 lakhs. So that's how you are going to see your company to a future. So you have started with one product, you're not going to end with one product. You are going to add on to your business to have a stretch in the business. You will always assume that our company to a future date. So that is what a going concern assumption says. The next one is money measurement assumptions. Only those business transactions that can be measured only in terms of monies are recorded. So here what this assumption says, money is the only important thing. See, I understand everything else is important, but we here in accounts, we will be considering only money. So I told you, transaction money is coming in, money is going out. That is only what you have to keep in mind. So here in the example, it says employee satisfaction is not expressed. So we are not going to record a particular person. Yes, you take feedbacks, you take customer feedbacks, you take something else, you take the feedbacks from the employees, the manager sees what is going on inside, but that is not recorded in your, that is not invoiced, that is not been documented. So what is that? Why you take feedback? You to see, okay, you don't do that again. That's all, but you are not, oh, the main thing what is being recorded is the money. So the money assumption says, money measurement assumption, only money related things are recorded. Please take down these 2 points and read the points there. Okay, next one. So these are our assumptions. So next is your concepts. So accrual concept says the transactions are recorded on the basis of income earned or expenses incurred irrespective of actual receipt or actual payment. So what is this means? So the income earned, that is what you are receiving, and expenses, what you are paying. This means, for example, you are mm, getting like you're taking you're paying for 100 goods and he's giving you um, five goods free. Okay, he's giving you free for 100 goods what you have purchased. But for you, what you are paying for the 100 goods. So for you, that 100 goods payment is recorded. That five free is not being recorded. So that not being recorded means in your goods it will be there. You will have five goods extra, but the transaction for the money based things, what how much you have paid or how much uh, you have received, only that is the important point. Same way here, next is the dual aspect concept. It says every financial transaction has to, where business receives the benefit, where the business provides the benefit. So automatically, when you are receiving the benefit is discount. So when same way you will provide discount. So you see that you were receiving 50% discount. You are giving at least 10-20% discount for your customers. So that's how you will be using this financial dual aspect concepts. And take only the points. Go next. Full disclosure is your financial records must be shown to your partners, your stakeholders. So you must have a full financial record being truly, that is your fair financial position, whatever your position is, it must be shown clearly. And then historical cost concept is this states that the assets shall be recorded as the same. So if you are purchasing a computer for 20,000, you are recording it as 20,000 only. You will not give appreciation depreciation for that. For example, computer, you need to give depreciation. We are not going to add that as a depreciation until unless when it comes that you have to depreciate value and you sell that product, or for whatever reason, we will be showing that in the books as 20,000 only. And verifiable and objective evidence concept. Evidence are your documentation. So what are your documents? As I told you earlier, invoices, your transportation bills. So other that is your invoice only, receipts, payments. So all these are your documentation. So these all must be kept, must be recorded as evidence in the business. Next is matching concepts. This concept states that the revenue earned and earned, to earn such revenue need to belong to the same period. This is basically in the um, financial year. So both must be whatever you have earned and whatever you are showing must be in the same period. Like if you're taking a check and then you are submitting it today, and then that must be in that financial year only. Okay, so you show in the same whatever you have earned and whatever you have sold, whatever you have purchased. So it will be in the same financial year. Then you will show that in the carrying forward. But basically, this is what the concept says. So you earn revenue and show from where you have earned the revenue. So revenue realization concept, as per the concept, revenue is considered to be income earned on the date it is received. So until unless you have earned it, you have not received it. So only after you receive it, you will show that into your incomes. So same way I gave you, like you have sold some goods. So he will say on that particular maybe 31st. He'll say 31st October he will give you the payment. So 31st October you will have your income. Okay, so your income will not be in the month of July. So that's what realization is. Who's angry on me? Mm. Okay, next. So next are the principles. First one say cost benefit principle. The cost incurred for applying an accounting principle should be lesser than the profit derived from doing it. So also there's nothing but your cost price must be more less than the selling price. So that's what it says. So obviously when you're doing a business you always think only of profit, right? So um, your cost price must be less than your selling price. Materiality principle. As per this, all the information that is disclosed in the financial statement should aid the interested parties in arriving at the decisions. That means when a financial, that is your um, annual meeting held on, all the interested parties must know. Here, parties is not everyone in sense, your shareholders, your partners, everyone must be known about everything. Must be there. Okay. Next one, consistency. Similarly, so first, what financial year you follow, the same financial year, you must follow the coming years. I told you an example like if you are following one uh, financial year, even if you've started June, then next year onwards it will be April to March. So same here. So that consistency must be there. Students, the uncertainty is involved in the operation of the business. It requires that the business makes provisions for the probable loss. This is what I told you yesterday while explaining bad debts, right? So we always have a provision for our bad debts and doubtful debts so that we do not go bad in our financial position of the company. So this completes our principles, which says assumption, concepts, and principles. Please take a note and then we'll go to the next.
Ma'am, can you repeat it, ma'am? I got disconnected.
You want me to explain these two principles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, consistency is about the financial year. So first year, what financial year you apply, the same financial year you will be applying it, following it every next years. And then prudence is about your provisions for your losses. So in case you have bad debts, doubtful debts, you make sure you have some provisions so that you don't have a financial loss in the company.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Um, double entries, bookkeeping. We already came through this. This is what I told you. Please take this notes, okay? That is the document. These are the evidence in the business. So these are very important. And all these are what we are going to, we will also create these in the tally. Okay. We will be doing one more very similar journal entry like yesterday. Okay. I'll just show them. Similarly, do that. Do this in the book. Thumbs up, and when we have few, then I'll ask you to put them in the group. Now, you can see that last salary and things, the amount is missing. What I want you to do is paid wages 5,000, paid rent 5,000, paid salary 10,000. I repeat, paid wages 5,000, paid rent 5,000, paid salary 10,000. Why is everybody not sleeping today? Why is nobody talking in the class today? Because it's weekend?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, you're right.
Yeah. So, 5 minutes, it's very similar as yesterday. So, 5 maximum 10 minutes to finish it. 5 minutes. I want your hands up one by one. Let's see.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Excuse me,
repeat
ma'am.
it, ma'am?
It will be paid wages 5,000, paid rent 5,000, paid salary 10,000. All are the same. And ignore dates. Don't take down dates. Only take down this. Yes.
Should we pass journal entries?
Yeah, yeah. That's what I told. Like yesterday only.
Okay.
Don't send it in the group until unless I say. Sorry, I missed someone's talk. Anybody was asking something? Yes, Susha, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Just happening.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the entry for the what's the amount for last entry?
What is the question? Rejected and returned 10% of the goods. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just So where does Mohan purchase goods from Mohan on credit? 6,000, 10,000 rupees. Sorry, 10% of 6,000 is the amount.
Okay, ma'am.
Why are there less students today? And today only your meeting started.
Ma'am, could you please tell out the tell the amounts of the transaction of paid wages, rent, and salaries? It is not visible for me.
Boy, it's 5,000, 5,000, and 10,000. Paid wages 5,000, paid rent 5,000, paid salaries 10,000.
Thank you, ma'am.
How many of you done? Put hands up. Hands up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 33. 31. And I see people were sending even after the class. So that is because you were not able to send at that time, or that is you were not able to do at that time. Be 3, 4 minutes more. You can send it in the group. Yeah, I think so most of you have done. Please send it in the group one by one. One by one is sent. And then you can go with the next one. Okay, class. I think we have very similar question as yesterday. Um, we can start with the next uh, point. So that is your download of your Tally software. Second. So for that you go to the Google. What is that you can see in my screen? You can see my Google screen or my that I am not able to see. Your screens. What screen are you able to see, class?
Ma'am, your
My
Google screen.
PowerPoint screen. Uh, Anyways, you type here as Tally Solution http:/tallysolutions.com. Download. This is what you'll have your login to. Just click on this. So you come to this screen. Everyone come to this screen. www.tallysolutions.com, or you can see this link here, tallysolutions.com/download/.
Ma'am, we can't see all that.
Ma'am,
Your
we are unable
we
to
can
see,
still see
ma'am.
the Google page, ma'am.
Stop sharing. You can now.
Now we can see.
So wait, now I will do previous. You can see this screen. You can see my Google search engine screen. You can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
what my mouse. You can see the
Yes,
mouse.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes.
you just go to this website, tallysolutions.com, download, or you can type on your address bar this what you can see here, tallysolutions.com/download/. Everyone come to the screen. One thumbs up, three, four of you. Ulfa, Monica, thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Elisa, Hannah, Ashley. Is that how you pronounce your name? Correct me if I'm wrong. Rakshita M, you're not able to do it. Kanaka, Aditi,
Server down. It's coming attack now.
can you please take a picture and send it in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
You're doing it on the laptop only, no?
Ma'am, still I have not gone to home, ma'am. I'm stuck in the rain.
Then you continue with the classes. You go home only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which one do we download?
No, no, don't download. Just be in the screen.
Okay, ma'am. I've got it, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, see, we download this version. Okay, this is the edit log version where we will be permanently activated to keep this version where you uh, pay a particular extra amount for this version. Okay, the options will be all same, but you will have internal controls, you will have different managements here, but it will be the same, the working will be the same. Like you'll be able to put all the dates you'll and everything in this version. Now what you will have to do is you'll have to download this Tally release 4.1. Click on the download button. You will find the download setup. One second, I think only if I do the entire screen you'll be able to see. One second. Let's see my screen first. Okay, where once you click on the download, everyone is following my mouse. Little glitch, please answer me. I'm audible, class.
Yes, ma'am, we are following.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Okay, now this it's the setup is downloaded. You go to the setup, click on that. So it will say like a Tally Solution Private Limited want to add a device in your device. So you do yes.
Ma'am, we have to download the first thing, right?
This one, yeah. You get a setup, and then you need to install it. So this is what your installing is. So you will have install option. As I already have a Tally software in my system, it is asking me to upgrade. So you can see I have a low version of Tally, which is 2.1. So the latest is 4.1. So I need to update it. As I already have it. If you don't have it, then you click on update. If you click on install. Anyone working with Mac software? MacBook?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Excuse
Tell
me,
me.
ma'am. Can you please repeat it once more, ma'am? Like,
What you
I'm
want me
not
to do?
getting the option.
What option are you not getting? Can you please be specific?
Ma'am, for the download, I'm not knowing where to.
You clicked on this.
Uh,
You clicked
yes,
on
ma'am.
this, and then it is
Yes,
here. Here one option will be there, down arrow.
ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
When you click on that, you get this like setup. If you clicked on that number of times, then it will have like setup on setup here.
Mm, It's it's taking time to load, ma'am. Like that, I'm not getting that ad.
Maybe,
Okay.
or go to your this is your folders, your files. Here you'll have download. So in this download option, you'll have setup.
The setup is getting downloaded now, ma'am.
Then you'll have to wait for some.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not able to download.
Oh,
Sorry, who was that? Was not able to download.
Ma'am, I'm Amrita. It is showing download from desktop or laptop. I've opened it in my laptop itself, but I'm not able to download it.
Will you be able to share your screen? And it's raining very
Sorry, ma'am.
heavily. So you'll be able to share your screen.
Ma'am, I'm not allowed to share here.
No, no, I will make you the presenter. Now you can share.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I'm not able to download it. It says Microsoft Windows does not support Mac OS.
that's what I asked now. Just now I asked who is using Mac.
Ma'am, I'm using Mac.
That
I
is
just
what I
joined now.
asked. So it's difficult. You cannot either. You'll have to have two screens. Make one Windows option, and then because this does not Tally does not support um, OS. OS does not support Tally. I mean Mac. TallyPrime will not be able to work on. I'll see. Maybe if two Windows options are available. Um, let's see what alternative we can have. Give me a daytime.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Why did you stop? I think she has some network issues. Anybody else using Mac? Trupti, you don't have any other alternative?
Ma'am,
Excuse
I
me,
just use
ma'am.
Sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, after downloading it, should we install?
Yeah, you
Should we
should
install the
install.
application?
Correct, you should install. That's what I
Okay,
told.
ma'am.
Then,
Okay, ma'am.
if you have that, it'll ask update. So I
Okay,
had
ma'am.
that. It asked me update. It is new for you, so it will say install. Install and keep.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
press. Don't click on anything other option.
Okay,
Because I
ma'am.
think she has a lot of. I'll continue
The
with mine.
installation is completed. It is asking for start TallyPrime.
Yeah, don't start. I will start now. Together we do that.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone, yeah, everyone be in the screen.
Ma'am, so when it gives the option, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, I tell you.
Ma'am, when it gives the option start Tally Prime, should we give the start or should we wait, ma'am?
Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm just waiting for all to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
that. Trupti, I asked like if you have any other options, alternatives.
yes, ma'am. I'll try using the crossover website,
Hmm.
or
Yeah,
I'll just use a Lenovo laptop.
yeah, that would be great. Where were we? Okay, this is with everyone, right? The same screen you can see. Now, what you do is you start the prime time. Like you can see my screen now. Okay, click on Start Tally Prime. So everyone has the screen. What you can see here, four options. So one would says continue in education mode. Second one says use license from network. Third one says reactivate existing license. Fourth one says activate new license. So continue in education mode. That is what we will be working on. So you don't have to pay for your software. So there are some this year, like rules, what you will not be able to use in education mode than in the other licensed versions. And then use license from a network. So in case another person has a license, then if he has more number of users, then you can take that connectivity and start this software. Reactivate existing license means you already had a software and you have renewed it or something like that. So you are reactivating it. And fourth one is your new license. So you have bought a new license and then you activate using user ID password. So that's what are these four options. We will be working on continue in education mod. So when you get these four options, you are supposed to click on this option. So I have all these because these are all created before. You will have nothing. Keep it as it is. Everyone can see the screen. Everyone in your system has the same screen what I have on my system.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm. Please tell me.
Ma'am, it's showing the Window Defender firewall has blocked some features to this of this app, ma'am. To me, like it's not opening, ma'am. Only the logo got opened, and then there is a disclaimer given. What should I do, ma'am?
What is it saying? It is saying that it will not open. You see, there is one. Sometimes what happens when you download a new software, it will ask whether you can download it or you cannot. So at that moment you said yes.
Uh, no, ma'am. I haven't given anything. That time, back then when you said to start, ma'am, I clicked on it
Mhm.
and it is giving this a disclaimer, ma'am. Like it's not a disclaimer. It is saying Windows security alert, ma'am.
Then yes, that is what sometimes it says. You just send me a picture of that. I'll see.
Um, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm unable to access it, ma'am.
Monica only. Who's that? Who's broke?
Yes, ma'am. Monica, ma'am.
No, you just take a picture and send me. I will see what is that.
Yes, ma'am.
All others it opened. Now you click on create company and click enter. Monica, take a picture and send.
Yes, ma'am. But my WhatsApp's opening now, ma'am. I'm waiting for the WhatsApp to open, ma'am.
I think you have a bad network because
Internet connection is network
yeah,
connections. Just give me a minute, ma'am. I'll just make
no,
sure to
no
see.
issue. Maybe I'll just continue and I'll get back to you. Hmm? So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we don't make others wait.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure.
here, now company name, give your full name. Okay, mailing name will be the same as company name, give an address. Okay, and then when you click on this
Excuse me,
date,
ma'am.
yes,
What will be the mail name?
same name, company name and mailing name will be the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Then when you come to the state, automatically to your right you can see a list of states is open. So see, you can click from the mouse as you can see here, or what you can do here is you can type like KAR. See, automatically leave come. When I press K, automatically all the list is come. Save it into KAR, Karnataka, enter. Country is India, pin code you just give, telephone number, mobile number, fax number, email ID, website you want to visit if you have a website. See, the financial year beginning must always be 1st of April. Like your financial year of the company will be 1st of April only. Whether you start from June, whether you start in the month of May, whether you start in the month of January, it will be 1st April only. And then books beginning is when you start your business. So when you start your business, you started in the month of November, you started in the month of January, your month started in the month of June. So that's what your books beginnings from the date you can give it there. But here in the books for now, keep both the same. Okay, financial year also let it be 1st of April, books beginning also let it be 1st of April only. Please don't change, because further going on to vouchers you'll get confused. Like when is your books beginning, and while giving dates you'll get confused. So let the both the dates be the same. Then you have Tally Vault password. For now, keep it no. Further, I will explain when we give those password you can give. So this is what your screen must consist. And do enter, enter. So this is about the currency. Automatically it is India, it is rupees. So this is the acceptance box. Only if you accept here, whatever you have done will be saved. If you say no, it won't be saved. You want take a picture, I will only take a picture inside.
Ma'am, I do not have that security option and
It's
that
okay,
base
it's okay.
currency.
What
Oh,
security option and
security option, and then after that formal name, I don't have anything. Suffix, space between.
yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So once you are done, accept it. So when you come to this screen, don't do anything here in the screen. I want to explain each of them when you're doing it. So just press escape. 2 times escape, 3 times escape, quit. You should come to this screen. I think you can see I'm very bad at photos. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to open. Now, once you are here, you go to this, click here, click on create. You create one more company. Same way, you come to the screen again, then click on create. One more company in sense, here you give a name. So you need to give all the details. I'm just giving nothing only to show you. Escape, 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 come to the screen. So you can see 2 companies here, no? Like that only I want to see 5 companies here. So you must give all the details because you'll be working different topics in different companies. So one of your name, one you do like that only, MCC College 6 to 7:30 p.m. Second company, and other three companies, any name of your choice. One company, your full name. Second company, MCC College 6 to 7:30 p.m. and three companies of your choice names. Okay?
Ma'am, when I press create, it's asking either group, ledger, or currency. What am I
No, no,
supposed
no,
to do?
no. Because you are doing it here. Don't do it here. Do this. Click on this K.
Okay, ma'am.
Create here. Create here. Class, I'm telling you again, please don't do it here. If you do it here, it is ledger. We're doing it later. Now I want you to do it here. Only here only. Okay? Five companies and send me a picture.
Excuse me,
That is
ma'am.
what, yeah, Monica, I've received. So this is what I
Yes,
said.
ma'am.
Now you give allow access.
Yes, ma'am.
Clicked on allow access. Now what is it showing?
It's showing install, ma'am.
Yeah, click on install.
Ma'am, it's saying unable to install TallyPrime, ma'am.
Why? What is the error?
It's given an error saying that one or more instance of the following application. It's saying
Yeah,
there is a background.
correct, because maybe either you have opened one more like this or you have downloaded many. So close all your tabs and redo it.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, where is the escape option?
In your on your keyboard,
Okay, ma'am.
escape button. Okay, I think we are good to go. So people who still have doubts, you can ask me.